Hello and welcome to another update. Today we want to talk about Coinbase. Crypto market is going up. Some of you have asked me for a Coinbase update, and I have to say none of that micro price action here is particularly clear. I mean, if we zoom out a little bit, we can see that this move down can be considered a completed A, B, C structure. However, I don't like the proportions and the look of this decline, but it's valid. Okay, so the move down could be technically complete as an ABC structure. We have reached our support zone and the market is already leaving our support zone to the upside. It would have looked best with one more low, but the market broke above initial resistance, which was located here at $169.66. So we have an early indication of a low in place, but it really needs to break above 212 for further evidence that a low has formed in this larger wave 4. But hey, let's talk about the microstructure. Let's try to put some micro movements on the chart. First of all, it is possible that the low is in. We have only broken above resistance, I have to say. And I don't really see a clear 5-wave move up yet. We want to talk about that, but it reached the trend line. Okay, remember the trend line we talked, I think, about in the last video as well. Not the most beautiful one, but there is a trend line to work with. 1, 2, 3 touch points. And it's reached the support area. And just for anybody who maybe missed previous videos, the pullback is either a wave 2, A wave, now with a B wave rally, and then the C wave down. Long-term bullish, but will take a while to complete this. And then in the yellow count, we have an A, B, C in wave 4 with one more all-time high. Or well, with one more high in this crypto cycle. The white count is still what I prefer. And in both scenarios, we said there is a good chance for a reaction to the support area, either to start wave 5 or even the B wave, which would then, however, probably test the lower support area. Upper support area is between $119 and $166. I think if we get another low, and at the moment it doesn't look as if we get another low in this direct move down, but we could still. If we get one, maybe to test $140 or $119 even, and then we see a small setup from there, I think that would be a good opportunity. At the moment, we broke above the trend line here. And in terms of microstructure, I have looked at it. I don't see a very clear microstructure. 1 second. I see only 3 waves up. So it's not yet very clear that we have put a major low in place. But please remember, we're dealing with a larger degree diagonal pattern. So the fact that we've broken above initial resistance is an indication that at least yellow wave B has started. So yellow count would be possibly A wave. So that might be a tiny 5-wave move. A, B. We could have started wave C now. Definitely something to watch. And this is the structure I would track now, which means the trend, despite the messy price structure here, the trend is up against the $164 level, the swing low here from the 24th of September. And against that level, we can focus on higher. This structure, however, is not very clear in the micro, but you know, the trend is up, higher highs, higher lows. It's quite simple. And there's a good chance we get to the 100% extension. That's located at $196.30. That would be, as it seems, the next major resistance. Because if the idea is correct that this is an A, B, C, then it should get to 196. I mean, I could also say maybe this was, oops, 1 second. Maybe this was the A, then the A was just in 3 waves. Maybe this is, but no, this looks better. Okay, this would be a weak B wave, however, but it, I think, still looks better. Yeah, that's the idea. And I mean, the subdivisions for the white count would be the same, because in the white count, we're also dealing with an ABC structure in white wave 5. It would just be a matter of this extending higher eventually. That's the update about Coinbase. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500 and regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out the stocks and S&P 500 service You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.